Hi guys, so today is Saturday, I think. Is today Saturday?
Yes.
Okay, I'm getting my days confused. Today's Saturday. We are actually in Miami for like a mini-cation, a mini vacation. We originally booked this trip for me and my mom to get our brows done. You guys know Zoe from Mint Brows has been doing my brows for like 4 years, I think. Maybe a little bit longer. I think 4 years though. She does microblading. You guys know I've been getting my eyebrows microbladed for the past few years, and I only have to do it like get touch-ups like every 2 years. So this is gonna be, I think, maybe my 4th touch-up. They just last so long and they're just so convenient to have, especially when I'm doing my makeup. Zoe is a magician. She's so talented, so I won't let anybody else touch my brows, which is why I was willing to get on a flight this time, because normally she travels, but this year she didn't do that. She's been staying put, which I understand. But my mom decided since we were coming to Miami anyway, might as well make it like a little mini vacation. So Kylie came with us, and so we're gonna have like a mom-daughters bonding trip. We're only here for a short amount of time. We leave on Tuesday because Monday is mine and my mom's brow appointment. So we're gonna try to squeeze as much as we can in this short little trip. Our flight got in at 5:30, but baggage claim took forever, so we didn't leave the airport until like almost 7 o'clock. Oh yeah, it's almost 8 now, so we're gonna get ready. We're gonna shower and go down and have some dinner at the hotel. We're staying at the Palms Hotel, Hotel and Spa. It's really cute in here. The staff is already so sweet. Tomorrow we're just gonna have like a full beach day and then do dinner after, and hopefully we can squeeze in a like sunset cruise or something on the last day. So yeah. Okay guys, so Kelsey and I just took quick showers, and we're gonna go downstairs to the restaurant here because we're eating here tonight. And I just had to shower off that flight because I just felt really gross. We always do this. I don't know about other people, but Kelsey and I have to take showers every time we come right from a flight to like our hotel room, even if I have to shower twice within like the next couple of hours. So I will be showering again before bed. Just feels weird not, you know, showering before you like go out for the night, and it feels weird not taking a shower right before you get in bed. So I feel so refreshed. Travel days can tend to be really tiring, which is why I'm already kind of tired now. So but yeah, we're gonna get something to eat. This is like my first like trip since going gluten-free, so I'm trying to figure out what to eat when I'm not at home like now. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. We shall see. It shouldn't be that bad because I'm just not eating carbs pretty much, like no gluten, no bread, or anything sweet related unless it's gluten-free. So that's not that hard for me because I don't eat sweets that often unless it's really worth it, or I don't eat that much bread. So but certain things have been really hard, like we passed Krispy Kreme the other day and it was kind of depressing. So but it is what it is. It's still worth it in the long run. Hi guys, so we're back from the beach. Everyone is nice and refreshed. We just showered. Now we're getting ready to go to dinner, but it was a gorgeous beach day. It was not too hot at all. It was like in the 80s and it was nice and breezy, so we picked the perfect day to go to the beach because at first we thought it was gonna rain, but then the weather changed like a couple of days ago before we came. I was like, yes. And they have the nicest staff here. Like I will give their staff like 5 stars, 10 out of 10. They're amazing. They're so attentive, super sweet. So highly recommend the Palms. So far so good. We really like it here. Okay guys, so mom and I are done getting our brows done. We actually been done for like 2 hours now. Because when we came back, mom had their leftovers from when Kendra and Kylie had lunch, and I had some mussels and a sweet and spicy margarita, which was very delicious. So were the mussels, they were bomb. Nasty. Nobody else wanted to try them. Mama thought it was nasty. They good. Y'all need to elevate y'all palate. Mussels are amazing. I have an elevated palate. I eat sushi. But you ain't even try the mussels. They don't look appetizing. Okay. They just look like they still alive. They're in a shell. Okay. But yeah, these are my brows. When they're first done, they're a little bit darker. They still look very good. She does the most amazing blading and shading. They like usually, ombre? Yeah, kind of like ombre in the front. They look good. So pretty. They're gonna fade a little bit. They'll lighten like after a week. So I'll show you guys like how they look after a week. Oh, it's just a week. Yeah, mine only take like a week to heal. Yeah, I look tired from that spicy margarita. Yeah, we're gonna go on a boat later. We're gonna do like a sunset boat cruise later. So I'm really excited about that. We're gonna bring our own wine. Hey guys, it's Kendra. So we're back in Atlanta and we got back from Miami the day before yesterday. It is Thursday and Kelsey and I have more of our family here at our house. So my mom and Kylie left the day that we got back. So they just went ahead and went to Alabama. But yesterday our cousins got here, our cousin Kia and her twins and her oldest daughter. We have a full house. They're going to be here for the next few days before they go back to school because they wanted to, you know, have a little mini getaway. So we're going to IKEA today. I have no idea what the girls' fascination is with IKEA. They really want to go. I haven't been to IKEA in years, so we're going to have an IKEA trip. We're going to drive over there. Hopefully it's not any traffic on the way like it always is. But we're going to go to IKEA. Then we're going to go to the store later. Yeah, we didn't do much yesterday. We just watched a movie. Watched a movie called The Vow with Rachel McAdams and Channing Tatum. I love that movie. So good. And it's based on a true story. I'm not that hungry like I always am when I first wake up. But I always kind of force myself to eat so that I can have something on my stomach. So I'm going to have maybe some cereal or some oatmeal. I prefer oatmeal because I can only eat like maybe like 2 types of cereal right now that I've been buying. But I don't feel like eating that. So I'm probably going to have some oatmeal again. I'm trying to figure out how we're going to do this car situation because there's 6 of us. And mine and Kelsey's cars only fit 5. So we're going to have to take 2 cars, I think. Hi guys, so it's the next day. Today is Friday. We didn't finish vlogging yesterday because after we left IKEA, we ended up going to Restoration Hardware because Kia had never been in there before. So Kendra and I just wanted to show her around. She really liked it. If you've ever been in a Restoration Hardware, then for the first time, then you know how like grand it feels. And then after that, we just went to Shake Shack to get something to eat. So I had a little cheat meal and I do not regret it. It was delicious. Yeah. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my brows though. So they still look good. They just go through different phases. If you ever gotten microblading, then you know the process. So they start out like a lot darker and then they start to kind of itch and peel and do like the whole tattoo thing. And then like usually for me, like completely a week later is usually when it's done healing, and they basically look like what they're gonna look like. But yeah, today we're just gonna be going to lunch and hanging out with the girls, just having some quality cousin time. So yeah. Hey guys, so we're back from our actually kind of long day. Kelsey had to stop in Sephora, and I just went ahead and decided to get some stuff, and the girls wanted to go to Barnes & Noble, so we stopped there. I've never been to that Barnes & Noble before. It was really nice, but a little overwhelming because when you're looking for a specific book, you're just searching forever, unless you obviously know the author. So I only got 2 books, so I'll just show you guys what I got. So from Sephora, you guys have seen these 2 products way too many times. Groundhog's Day at this point. So I got my Oat Cleansing Balm. This is what I use as my first cleanse because I double cleanse. And I got my favorite body scrub, which is the First Aid Beauty KP Eraser. Got those as backups. And I really wanted to try this replica bubble bath candle. I've tried the Jazz Club one and By the Fireplace. They're okay candles, but I wanted to see if I like this scent for my bathroom. But replicas candles are good. They're not the best. My favorite candles at Sephora are Over Rose, and I think you can only get them online, but these are the ones they always have in the store. So I just decided to try the bubble bath one. And at Barnes & Noble, I got these 2 novels. This one I wasn't planning on getting, but it sounded interesting. This is Did I Say You Could Go? I just read the summary on the back, and it just sounded really intriguing. But I've been wanting to read this forever. This is Where the Crawdads Sing. And I know the movie's coming out soon, but I really wanted to go ahead and read the book. And it just reminded me that I should probably get it. But I have to read a few more novels before I get to this one. So maybe I'll just put this one in the rotation of books that I'm reading. Yeah. Because I'm a huge fan of novels. They're actually my favorite books to read. But I also like to implement some self-help books in there in my reading list so that I won't be reading too much of one thing. But I'm excited for both of these. This one was in like the thriller or mystery section. I think this was like the mystery fiction section. Yeah. So I got those 2 books. And I was also looking for this book called The Couple Upstairs, but I could not find it. So I think I'm just going to get it off Amazon, which is cheaper probably anyway, because I get most of my books off Amazon. I never really get them from Barnes & Noble, but since I was in there, I decided to get those 2 books. And I am about to go co-wash my hair because it's very crusty right now. It's just feeling really dry. I don't have any gel in my hair right now, and it's not for me. So I'm not doing that again. I thought it was for me, but it looked okay 2 days ago. I'm just not a cream girl, like just by itself. And the girls really want to watch Twilight tonight, so we're going to watch, I think they wanted to watch like 3 of them. I don't know which ones. So Kelsey just said they want to watch Eclipse and Breaking Dawn. Part 1 or part 2? Part 2. Those are actually my favorite ones, actually. Not part 1. Eclipse and Breaking Dawn part 2 are the best ones, in my opinion. The first one is not that good, I'm gonna be honest. But Eclipse and Breaking Dawn part 2 are really good.